What's up YouTube, this is Tyler Terry 521 coming at you with a bike check. I'm going to start with the front half of my bike. It's a Kink Whip 09 frame. I have just the stock down low stem, sanded it, black and chrome, silver, raw. Got the Kink high bars with this stock hand grips, the Kink alphas, and Alienation plain black rim with the stock forks, Kink. Have stock logo pedals, blue mechanic chain with the stock sprocket. I just rawed the cranks out, not really for any reason, but I haven't finished them yet. I have the V2 logo side of the seat, pivotal. It wore out a lot. I have right hand side drive. On the back I have a Eastern hub, listed an Eastern rim. I just have two pegs, Kink, and what else? Stock seat post and seat clamp. These valve caps from Dan's, and that's about it. I'm gonna update my bike check in a few weeks. Thanks.